how to make your day, month and year to be a triggering point for your growth. Take your horoscope, write down the day when you were born. It's Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, whatever it is, your nakshatra, and of course there will be the date. You want to make this week very good, mark your day, either do the ritual or don't get into any negative situation. So that week will all be very good. This I have seen. I am born on Monday. So every Monday some good things will happen. If Monday I am going to having any conflict, which means I know that this week is going to be very difficult. Now how to make your month very good for yourself? Fix the nakshatra. Every month the nakshatra will come again and again. During that nakshatra you have any fights, any troubles, things are not moving well, then that entire month is going to have a problem. You do ritual during that month, it's going to be fabulous and you will see lot of growth in your life. Next is you will have the Janma Masa, Janma Nakshatra. That is, if you are born in Kritika Masa, the nakshatra which is coming during the Kritika Masa, we take it by the Tamil calendar or the Indian calendar, not by the European calendar. So when we take that nakshatra and do a ritual, you will see lot of growth. People want 100% growth, 200% growth. The important time to bring in this 200% growth is only the ritual during the important time of your Janma Masa, Janma Nakshatra or during the Janma Nakshatra. Then you also have your date of birth. You do ritual during on that date of birth. Like you're born on 28 December, do the ritual on 28 December. Do the ritual during the Janma Masa, Janma Nakshatra. That is the stupo point where your energy body expands. Only when the energy body expands, your capacity will expand, the growth will come. If there is no capacity increase, there's no way you can have a good law of attraction, either in terms of business, in terms of career, in terms of money, or even your way of investment. Whatever it is, your energy body expansion happens during this important time of your Janma Masa, Janma Nakshatra. People go here and there. They say you wear the gems, you wear do this, you take this yantra. Whatever it is, the Janma Masa, Janma Nakshatra or the Janma Nakshatra is a clear indicator whether you are going to grow, whether you are going to fall down, whether you are going to have problems. I know a person who's born on May 5th. He got admitted in the hospital on May 4th, had a surgery on May 6th. And for next 5 to 6 months, he had continuous 3 surgeries, I think. But none of the surgery was giving him the solution. It was a locked situation where he was doing surgery after surgery and things were not moving very well for him. So you have to be very careful. I always tell my clients, don't go to the hospital either on your Janma Nakshatra or on your birthday. That's a sure short way of pulling your health down. That's it. And I know another client who gives ritual exactly on her Janma Nakshatra. Every Hastam she'll say, do the ritual for my health. She has recovered so much that she moved. She was in ICU when she came to us. So her daughter was giving the rituals. We started doing the rituals. It moved into puja, and finally every month Hasta Nakshatra she started giving the rituals. Now she is fully recovered. So a recovery, a fall, a growth, a failure, everything is represented by your Janma Masa, your Janma Nakshatra and your Janma day. If suppose you are born on Wednesday, make sure that your Wednesdays are good. Do a ritual. That week will be good. And consecutively 4 to 5 weeks are going to be good. Things are going to roll over, which means your growth is going to happen. And for us, if anyone comes and joins or we get any good orders during any one of our directors or any one of our people's Janma Nakshatra, we become very alert. We know that is going to be a very good order. That's how we see. If people are going to have a fight in the Janma Nakshatra day or on the Janma day, which means there's going to be continuous problem with that person. So please pick up your Janma Nakshatra, your Janma Dina and also your Janma Masa. Keep it alive by doing the rituals, and continuous rituals every month will or every week is going to boost your energy It's going to make your energy become big, your law of attraction increasing. That's how the growth will happen. It is not by keeping a gems. It is not by doing going to one temple to another. No, it is not that. Anything you do, connect it with the time. Time is the master. Time will give you everything. That's why Indian rishis have spoken about the Rahu Kala, Yamakanta, Titi Sunya, everything. That's why in India only we have the Titi, Nakshatra, Hora. Everything is there in India. So connect with the time. That's how your growth will happen. This is Jayashree Astrologer talking about Janma Masa and Janma Nakshatra.